This is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, I have to note that in order to do that, we will need to use the help of the free and third-party app called Cam Scanner. So let's first and foremost get it on our device. So starting off, check if your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then open the Huawei app gallery, find the Cam Scanner-PDF Scanner app, then start the download and installation process. Wait for it to land on your device. Upon installing, just go ahead and launch the Cam Scanner app. As you can see, it only supports the portrait orientation, which is fine, not a big deal at all. So in here we'll skip the promotion step by tapping at the cross sign to your top right. Skip the, or not skip, just proceed over here. So grant all the permissions that the app asks for. To your bottom right, you'll have the camera icon which you want to tap on. On top of that, grant Cam Scanner the camera access. Then over here, once the camera interface launches, choose the single mode. Then take the document that you would like to take a scan of. Lay it flat in front of you and try to make a good picture of it. So for some reason it does not allow me to take my photo. So let me relaunch the option. Okay, here it is. As you can see, the camera interface now has been unlocked. So basically, take a good picture of your document, make sure that it occupies the whole viewfinder space. That's the result. In my case, you can crop it if you want to, perhaps trim off an extra edges that also made it to the photo. That will be the borders of my final PDF document, by the way. Then tap at the next icon to your bottom right. Wait for it to be transformed into an actual document-alike file. In here you can change its appearance. There are quite a few presets that you can use. I'll go with, I don't know, gray myself. Then tap at the check icon, and as you can see, our PDF gets successfully saved to our internal storage and can be opened by entering the Files app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.